Solana chart update. All right, guys, I wanted to just over deliver today, putting out 3 videos. Thank me later, or thank me now in the comments. But yeah, feeling generous. And I found some things on the Solana chart that are pretty interesting. So if we put it on the 3-month chart, earlier in the year, we got this mega run. Then things fell off the next quarter. Then July through September, we got this interesting candle. We'll zoom in a little bit. We'll go like that, where the price went way up to 194, and then it fell all the way down to 110, and then we just got all the way up. So kind of marks, like, it almost went up just as far as it went down. It marks kind of a line in the sand of well, really, it kind of makes a perfect balance. So it's kind of a market shift time, these 3 months, July through September. So the decision is, are we, we have to wait and see if our market's going to decide to go up from here or go down. Could almost go either way, but we just had these major events in the Middle East. However, it seems like those are not escalating for now, at least today. We did see, if we go to the daily chart, we did see a drop. We saw a drop, and then we're attempting to recover. But the interesting thing is that we got rejected off this 50% level. Even before, I believe, even the day before the escalations happened, we got rejected off this 50% level at 160. And that's taking a Fibonacci from the peak to this low back in August. So we got that rejection. So things are on the bearish side right now. For now, it'll be interesting to see if we bounce off around in the 130s before heading up, and then are we going to use this 50% level as support? We want to see a bounce off of that. So only time will tell, but we can use astrology to see if we have any pointers on whether we are going to be going up or down. Are we going like that, or are we going to go like that? All right, so astrology can show us, it can hint to us when the momentum is going to come in, and is it positive momentum or negative? So I'll be looking at that in a moment. But first off, let's go ahead and look at, I got to pull this up, the RSI and the stochastic RSI. So we got those pulled up. Oh, I don't know why it does this, man. Okay, anyways. Let's pull this up. So we are getting, let's see if we have a trend line. Go from here down here. Yeah, there's a bit of a trend line potential there. We are potentially getting a little bit of a breakout there. We want to stay above this line right here at 50%. But that is not confirmed yet, so it's still, jury is out for that still. Let's see. We could also maybe do something like this. Yeah, so it's not a clear breakout, that's for sure. But if we look at the stochastic RSI, we are getting a stochastic RSI cross. So this is potentially bringing in more momentum into the markets. But it's tough to say how long this is going to last. We want to get above this level here, that area up there. So we want to get past this previous high. We want to get up here. Ideally we want to get up here. But still, we got more room to go. But stochastic RSI is bullish. We just want to make sure that this is not a fake out. that it's not just going to go like that, which is still possible. We could look at the 2 week. 2 week is still not breaking out. The monthly, definitely not breaking out. And the 2 month is not looking so great. So longer term, it's not looking so good. Short term, we have an opportunity. We have a chance to make a move up, but it still has not been confirmed, as we are now getting a little bit of a dump here for the short term. Okay, is there anything else I want to look at? I mean, the volume's still decreasing. We haven't gotten a big inflow of volume still, so we're still waiting on that. If we look at the daily exchange volume for crypto, it's just been flatlining for a long time, really ever since May. The volume for crypto has been flatlining. So any big moves up, we want to see the volume go up as well, because then that confirms that it's a legit move. We still haven't gotten that yet. All right, let's look at Solana versus Bitcoin. Still looking strong. Solana's holding up strong versus Bitcoin. That's good. Solana versus Ethereum. Solana's outperforming. Ethereum has been so weak for months and months and months and months. But who knows? There could definitely be a day where Ethereum takes the stage, takes center stage, and could outperform. That hasn't happened yet. Solana is still one of the top dogs, if not the top dog in this run. Okay. Who wants to take a look at the astrology? And let me know if you guys have comments. Okay, so astrology. We'll take a look at the Solana chart. So we're looking at this eclipse here on the 2nd. I mean, we are getting a slight negative with Neptune squaring the Solana moon. But then we're getting Uranus sextiling the Solana sun. That is in effect. It's in orb. And we're going to get a direct hit on October 16th. So really bullish mid-October. But we're not quite there yet. Let's see. We're getting Venus opposite Venus on the solar eclipse. That's a little negative. So we could see a dump, and we're already seeing that. So that is coming into effect right now. We do get these positive aspects after the eclipse. So we could get a pump afterwards. Then we get Jupiter retrograde and Pluto direct, bringing a potential major market shift. And it could be in the bullish direction because, a lot of coins, including Bitcoin, are getting major positives mid-October when we're getting this Jupiter retrograde, bringing a major market shift. Let's see if it's in the positive direction. It sure looks like it, but that is not counting out some of the major astrology that's and world events that are happening, and some things in the macro markets that could bring a black swan event of some sort. Is definitely possible the next couple months, or a dump in the markets. I could show you guys this. Let's see if I can find the right graph. Yeah, so this one, I've showed you guys this before. If you're new to the channel, then definitely take a look at this. If we follow this gold line, then, and that's when the S&P 500 went down in April, up in May, just like we did this year. If it's following that, then we could definitely see dumpage October, November, potentially a low in October before we head back up. We still haven't seen that big of a dump yet. We have got a bit of a correction with the news that happened today, but there could be further downside. Unless we follow more of the red line here or the green line. Problem is, the green line is for a sitting president running, which is not the case. Or it could follow maybe the black line here, which still brings a dump in October and then up in November, December. All right, so it's looking bullish till the end of the year, but we're still not out of the woods completely. There could be a correction, but I personally be definitely buying that correction. I mean, that's the main thing. Is that October 16th, super bullish for Solana. All right, so let's hope for the best for that. So far, we're not seeing signs of a pump, but we still have a couple weeks. All right, let's see. Is there anything else I want to cover here? Good look at the altcoins. The others, total crypto market cap excluding the top 10. This is looking healthy. We just got a little bit of a dump. Let's go on the daily. Yeah, we got a little bit of a dump. But as you can see, we were already dumping before that news came in. It's almost like markets are like a highly, highly intelligent being where sometimes they know ahead of time like what's happening. It's pretty wild. What comes first, the markets or the events? What comes first, the chicken or the egg? Because it sure seems sometimes like the markets show some movement and then we have world events that manifest. It's pretty wild. And here's the total crypto market cap. It's looking healthy. I mean, this is potentially a bull flag. That gets a bigger dump when we look at the altcoins, but still, let's take a look at others. We did get that mega dump there, but let's go on the weekly. That big dump, but it got bought up quickly. And, you know, anything below 174 on the others chart gets bought up really quickly. You see these two candles, this one and this one, they went way down here, but they got bought up quickly before the end of the week, before we headed back up. So it's looking very strong, looking like strong momentum. And Solana's holding up. Solana's still looking good, looking pretty. All right, go Solana. Let me know what questions you guys have in the comments below. And other than that, we'll just leave it with this epic song here. I got to put this. All right, here we go. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. And let me know in the comments, what else do you want me to cover?
To the top, by the dip, we won't let this moment stop. Sats in our pockets, we're running on this wave. To the moon we go, in crypto we are brave. The retrogrades got us feeling a bit strange, but we won't let confusion make us change. Crypto Astro, feel the beat in your soul. Money can't go, it's out of control. Hold on, get strong, we'll never fade away. In this funky rhythm, we'll dance all day. Full moon's here, Bitcoin's in its prime. Bear market fears, we just laugh, it's no crime. Vibes, got our gang in the groove. With Satoshi spirit, we're ready to move. Not your keys, not your coins, that's the game. We'll hold tight now, we're all the same. Crypto Astro, feel the beat in your soul. Money printer, go, it's out of control. Hold on, gang strong, we'll never fade away. In this funky rhythm, we'll dance all day. To the moon we'll fly, in the stars we'll play. In the crypto universe, we find our way. We
Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.